ActiveView is Google's viewable impression measurement technology. It is integrated into all of Google's advertising products to measure viewable impressions in real time. It is a free, transparent, and effortless solution accredited by Media Rating Council, or MRC, that measures viewable display and video impressions across web and in-apps. ActiveView will switch from proprietary viewability measurement technique by Google to using Open Measurement, OM SDK, for mobile app display inventory on AdMob and Ad Manager. The Open Measurement Software Development Kit is designed to facilitate third-party viewability and verification measurements for ads served to web video and mobile app environments. Now, with this change, it will bring ActiveView in line with the industry standard and is expected to reduce discrepancy between ActiveView and third-party measuring the same impression, improve app efficiency and user experience by removing double measurement. What do we expect? Due to the methodology differences between Open Measurement SDK and the legacy ActiveView techniques of Google, some publishers may see a change in mobile app display measurability and viewability. This change will only impact ActiveView measurement on mobile app inventory. What should we expect? Some publishers may experience a drop in viewability metrics, especially after phase 2, only on mobile app inventory. So how are you going to run reports in GAM? You log into your GAM account, go to reporting, reports, historical. You can see the metrics section where there will be ActiveView for the ad server, ActiveView for AdSense only if you have AdSense demand, and you have also ActiveView measurements for ad exchange. And of course, you have ActiveView measurement on all your demands. To make sure the percentage of viewable impression, you always choose total ActiveView percentage viewable impression and then run report. For more updates, stay tuned on MonetizeMore YouTube channel.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.